students, myself Nidhi Ghetia. I am from Faculty of Pharmacy, Dr. Subhas Technical Campus. Okay, so today we learn our subject that as we know that Pharmaceutical Organic Chemistry 1. So that's code is a BP202 TP. Okay, so in this subject we conduct our chapter number 2, that is alkanes. Okay, so alkanes are generally also known as the hydrocarbons. Okay, so today's our content of this study. Today we study about this topic, that is a method of the preparation of alkanes. Okay, so in first method of preparation, that is catalytic hydrogenation of the unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so in this process, unsaturated hydrocarbons with addition of the hydrogen making the one alkane. Okay, alkane means the saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, so addition of the hydrogen in unsaturated hydrocarbon to making the saturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons like alkenes or alkynes. Okay, so this process carried out in the presence of the finely divided metal catalytes like platinum, palladium and nickel. Okay, so here alkene plus S2, that is a hydrogen, and alkenes is a unsaturated hydrocarbon in the presence of nickel, platinum or palladium making the one alkane. Okay, and second reaction is by reduction of the alkyl halide. So by reduction of the alkyl halide can be done by the two methods like direct and indirect. Okay, so direct having also other three method, that is reduction by the dissolving metal, second one is a reduction by the lithium aluminum hydride, and third one is a reduction with the Hi, that is hydrogen iodide and Rad-P. Okay, so and last B is a indirect method. So first one is a direct method. In this direct method, first method is a reduction by the dissolving metals. Metals like zinc, HCl, NaOH and zinc and Cu. Cu means copper. Okay, so here alkyl halide like one alkyl halide plus a reaction with the Zn and Cl, HCl making the one alkane plus one hydrogen halide are removed. Okay, then second reaction is a reduction by the lithium aluminum hydride and sodium borohydride. So alkyl halide plus lithium aluminum hydride making the one alkane and remove the one halide atom. Okay, so and third method, that is a reduction with the Hi. The Hi means the hydrogen iodide and Rad-P. Okay, so alkyl halide plus Hi in the presence of Rad-P making the alkane and two halide atoms are liberated. Then B method is an indirect reduction. So in this method, alkyl halide reagent with magnesium and dry ether to forms the alkyl magnesium halide, that's called the Grignard reagent. So in this first component, that is a alkyl halide plus in the presence of alkyl halide react with the magnesium in the presence of dry ether and making the one alkyl magnesium halide, that is Grignard reagent. Then further react with the water molecule and making the one alkane and liberate the magnesium hydroxide halide. Okay, so this is the indirect method. Then third one is the Corey-House reaction. It involves the interaction between a suitable lithium dialkyl cuprate with and alkyl halide to form the alkane in excellent yield. Okay, so it's lithium aluminum alkyl cuprate plus alkyl halide in the presence of dry ether and or THF. Okay, so here making the one alkane one one alkyl cuprate are liberated and lithium halides also liberated. Okay. So third reaction also complete. Then fourth reaction, that is a Woods reaction. It involves the interaction of the two molecule of the same or different alkyl halide with the metallic sodium in the presence of the dry ether to gives the alkane. Okay. So here first product is a one alkyl halide, then second one is 2 molecule of the alkyl halide, that is same or different, both are valid here. Okay, so 2 molecules of the alkyl halide and react with the sodium metallic sodium in the presence of dry ether and making the one alkane and 2 Na sodium halide are liberated. Okay. So here this method is useful for the preparation of the symmetrical alkanes and not suitable for the preparation of the unsymmetrical alkanes. Okay. So fifth reaction is a decarboxylation of the carboxylic acid. So when sodium salt of the monocarboxylic acid is fused with soda lime in the ratio 3:1 at a high temperature, a molecule of the CO2 is lost and alkane with the one carbon atom less than the carboxylic acid is formed. Okay, so here first we take the monocarboxylic acid and monocarboxylic acid reacted with the soda lime at a high temperature, then one CO2 molecule are lost, then making the one carbonated ion and one alkane are the removed. Okay, so here formation of the alkane by decarboxylation process in a carboxylic acid. So first we take the monocarboxylic acid, that is a one atom having a carboxylic acid. Okay, so that's called the monocarboxylic acid. Monocarboxylic acid are react with the soda lime in the presence or at a temperature, that is a high temperature, and one CO2 molecule, 1 mole of the CO2 are lost and making the carbon atom less than, and carboxylic acid is formed the alkane. Okay. So here we conduct this topic, that is a method of preparation of the alkane. So today's topic is a stop here. So today's lecture is a stop, and thank you to all.